if you can hear me. I'll be... All right. Hey, can you hear me? Nice, awesome. All right, let's get this started. So I'll be working today on the UI collection challenge that's been proposed by the Microsoft guys. I'm starting it from scratch, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cover and just give an overview of what this is about. Just what exactly is the collection view challenge. Just getting ready over here. Covering a few of my resources. Oh, damn. Was checking the repo out, trying to take a look and read a little bit before I got started, just to know exactly what I was gonna do. So I have a little idea of actually just building something similar to Instagram, like a big list view or collection view that we call right now. We'll be calling from now on. So I'll be creating something similar to Instagram, and I really wanted to kind of stress test it with a whole bunch of information. So there's this, so before we get started, before I go deeper into what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover what the collection view challenge is. So it's a challenge proposed by DiPietro. He works in Microsoft, and they want to test out the new UI components that they will be releasing in future versions of Xamarin.Forms. And this is actually the second challenge that they've proposed to the community. You can find it easily in his GitHub repository. So what it is, so we're supposed to fork this repo and implement our own list view or collection view with this repo, and then submit a PR, just giving a feedback of what we thought of the UI controller, and what are the good points that we found while doing it, and what are the letdowns or things that we would like them to improve. Just giving a test run to the controller and seeing what it is about. So as I mentioned previously, I'll be doing something similar to Instagram, just like a big picture and little bit of like description, some icons like heart icons and like favorite icons, and a little round picture on the top with a name on it. And my main goal with it is actually to stress test it. So just dump a whole bunch of information, and while the user is scrolling down, we'll like be requesting more information and keep adding information to the list view until it's like a big ass list view. So this is my new setup right now. Like, we've been doing streams through YouTube lately, streaming our user group meetings. This is the first Twitch stream that we are doing. I was messing around with it a little bit before I got started over here, so if you were checking our channel out, you might have seen us going live a few times before this one. So we'll upload this later on to our Twitch channel and possibly the YouTube channel as well. Yeah, so let's get started. I guess the first step is to clone this repo, or to fork it, really. So you can see there's quite a lot of people doing the challenge right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and fork it with my GitHub account, and we're good to go. I'm gonna copy the link. Just gonna come over here and CD. So I'm gonna navigate to the right folder, and I'm gonna clone this puppy over here. And I'm gonna go, what is it called? CollectionView challenge. So CD CollectionView challenge, and there we go. I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna go for master. I'm gonna branch it to a local, I don't know, Instagram alike. So I'll be streaming for an entire hour. If I don't get, if I'm not over with the challenge by then, I'll just stream the rest of it another day. Okay, so people are telling me to lower the music a little bit, so give me a second, guys. Alright, so I'm lowering the music. Not sure how that's gonna be. Can you still hear the music on the stream? Oh, good things that once we have the setup ready, then we won't have to worry much about it. All right. So this is just some lo-fi hip-hop. I like it. Instagram like collection. So I'm actually gonna go ahead, and I always do this pattern of putting my branch inside a folder. I'm gonna go and just push it. Chat, eh? So I have my friend Dylan helping me out over here, just turning the streaming computer so I can see the chat. And yet again, we're just figuring out our setup and how it's gonna be. So bear with us. If you guys have any questions, you can just fire them up at me for me. I'm glad to. I shared the link in Twitter. I'm not sure if I'll get much of a response from people. Maybe. So I'm actually going to go ahead and retweet my own tweet with our user group account. So I'm just writing over here, we're live doing the UI collection view challenge. Yeah. Okay. I guess there's no need for me to keep watching the chat through my computer. All right. So let me actually go ahead and open a project. So as I said before, I'm gonna do something similar to what Instagram is, like really basic layout, just some pictures, some names, some descriptions, some like little icons of like and favorite icon and just simple stuff. There's a really nice API that I'm gonna use that kind of generate like user information like name, description, I don't know, like location, and actually generates pictures for those users as well. So I'll be doing that. In case you guys are not familiar with Instagram layout, app, I don't know, let's go to Google and Instagram feed. Yeah, I mean, it's not really what I want. Yeah, because they have the grid. Yeah, that's something I could do, like show up the yeah, I don't know. That's for further in the future. Let's just keep with the main home feed of Instagram, or else we'll just go crazy. I mean, I cannot really. I mean, I have Instagram in my phone. I might as well just look at it. Just wanted to have something in the screen over here so I could show you guys. Well, for whoever is watching, we have like 2 viewers right now. I don't know who they are. I think Dylan is one of them. Okay, so we're gonna be using this API. It's like something pretty simple. I've used it in other projects before. Say like if you press space on it's a uinames.com. You guys, I don't know, might be familiar with it. So what it does is like it generates like some random data like telephone, like location, gender, a key as well. Not very well, it's a little bit of a weird key, but a name and picture. So that's basically all the info I will have. So I'm just gonna like pretty it up. I'm gonna be using FF image loader and yeah, 2 FF image loader, one for the round picture on the top of the Instagram feed. Oh my god, it's impossible that there's no Instagram pictures or whatever. Yeah, so I want something like this, yeah? Yeah, so this is it. Like it's just a collection of a whole bunch of like images like this. Name, a little like a round image at the top, at the left top. Like a bigger image, I'm gonna just use the same image. And just the icons, right? So I'm gonna like just dump the info here. Like dump the name, the location, and whatever other information I have access to. Let me see. There's this book. Not sure what it does. Yeah, I just press the space bar. I want changers mix. Like, let's check out more. So the basic usage. Yeah, so you set up the amount of things that you want, the amount of responses of JSON objects that you want, and they'll like send it back. So if I'm not mistaken, you have to do a post to it. So let me actually go ahead and open the project. I have a whole bunch of projects over here, so don't mind me, just a whole bunch of tests and all of the demos that I do and things that I play with. So this is the previous visual challenge. Where's the U? Is it name? I know. So it's a CollectionView challenge. So it should be under C. There we go. Alright, let's open the solution. right. So I'm not sure how well is it for you guys to see. Let me see the font size. I can really like I don't know how like to increase the size. I'm gonna have to scroll. But my mouse is not the best one. So let's see. There you go. The mouse is like pretty garbage. Okay, so it's maximum size. I'm just gonna use the pad. Sensitivity of the mouse is not the greatest. So, where should I start? I think I'm gonna start from the service layer. So I'm actually gonna query an endpoint. So I'm gonna add a new file. Should I add a new file, or should I just query it from the view model or whatever it's hooked? Okay, so let me take a look at how everybody else did it. Just to have an overview of how everybody else did it. There was a really cool one over here, like here it is, it's open over here. It's Netflix. Pretty cool, like it did all of these horizontal views and yeah, pretty neat. Horizontal views were a big deal to get it sorted on. Well, sorry guys, I haven't been really looking at the stream. Let me see. Is there? No, there's no view model over here. Yeah, only the. Let me see. So this is this. Yeah. So as Dylan said, like he saw the folder over here, and I also thought there was like a view model setup for it, but not right now. Let me just run this puppy. Debug, like whatever simulator there is. Ah, nice. Okay, so wait, let me go to Twitch. Like I've been receiving some messages, some links. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to our channel over here. Alright, here we are already actually. Let's go to the channel. Like it's building over here, so this is the shell, like the main collection view challenge page. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to change the binding context if I'm not mistaken. Ah, nice, man. Dylan, can you share the screenshot again? If you're around. I don't want to bother you. There you go. Hey, here you go. Like, okay. Alright, this is what we want. I'm definitely not gonna finish this right now. It's been what? How long have we been live? Freaking forever feels. That's the thing with develop creating software. It just takes forever. Yeah, I get to building exactly. So yeah, let me just go ahead and check out how everybody else did if they created whatever, if they created view model and okay, so I see models page. Okay, featured XAML. It's all in the code behind, I see. Well, not all, just some width setup. Oh, all right, I see. Is there? Where's my view model? Just feels. Sure. Just gonna create a view model. Yay. All right. Okay. So somewhere I have to change the binding context for this puppy. Yeah, here we go, see? So on the XAML.cs, on the constructor, they set up the view model, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. What did I call this puppy? Okay. Ah, the same thing. uh, well, using, there you go, adding the references. Hmm. Alright, so there's quite a lot of setup over here. So yeah, see? Mm. Alright, Dad. That's good. I see Dylan is telling me to set it up on the XAML instead of on the constructor. I've used the Prism a lot, so it hides all of this complexity for me, which is great. Ah, I see Thiago Bertuzzi watching our live. It's awesome. Thank you, man, for showing up. He's a friend of mine from Brazil. All right. Yeah, so what is this? Hmm. Let's see what's up on the view model itself. Let's see what goes. Yeah, so I'm gonna do something similar, but instead of like hard coding the objects, I'm gonna query this service that we have open over here, the UI names, and I'm gonna just keep dumping information in it just to try to stress test it. So there's people talking to me. There you go. It's yeah, has a, like I want an observable list just so I can keep dumping information on the list. Yeah, so I'm gonna also just open the documents for the UI collection. Just take a look real fast on what I can do. Specify the layout. Yeah. Hey guys, Bertuzzi and Dylan. So Dylan, Bertuzzi is a friend of mine. Like we kind of met online and through the open source community. He's a Microsoft MVP from Brazil. Really great stuff, man. All right, so let me think. So I'm actually just gonna use all this. Just gonna look at other pull requests as well. So I have one. This one I want to close. This one has the service layer that I want to reproduce. I'm checking out the chat right now. Nice. Huh? Yeah. There you go. That's what I need. Okay, so my friend Dylan just sent me a couple of links that I'm gonna open. I'm gonna dump all of them. So yeah, this list of posts, I'm probably gonna change it. I don't need a list of posts. Well, really, it is a list of posts, so might even keep the naming convention. Alright, gonna add the references over here. Nice. So I don't need to run safe right now. Getting list. And actually go ahead, create a new file called post. There we go. It's just a silly class. Alright. Add the reference to models. This is just okay. Give me a second. Add command. And Newton soft JSON as well. Not sure we have that over here. No. There we go. It's the latest one. So I'm gonna. So there's a private backing field. This is just to raise the property changed. save. It is refreshing. Mm, so this load post, all this is gonna do is keep appending things. Keep appending the data. Yeah, this is the base view model that I was sent. Sure. Mm, does it feel right? So I'm not gonna be so I'm actually on the constructor. I'm gonna create oh nice. Well, it seems that Andrew Hoffling is joining the stream chat as well. Raiding with a party of 4. I'm not sure what the party of raiding is. I remember it from old what's it called? Whoa, World of Warcraft. Ooh, nice. Thank you, Andrew. Okay, so posts. I'm gonna create the constructor over here where we're gonna first start our collection of posts. Then over here we're just go ahead and add range. Fuck. Ooh, nice, nice, Andrew. Cool, man. Thanks for bringing everyone on board. So right now, instead of a observable collection, I'm just gonna do a list for now, since it's just I don't want to overcomplicate it right now. There's the freaking rename. This is the software development life, guys. Not knowing what to do most of your time. Just set the property. Wait. Yeah, sure. Whatever. Just leave it like this for now. Okay. You guys want me to create a base view model? I'm gonna do it. Copy pasta at its finest. All right. Welcome again to software development life, guys. Copy pasta life. All right. It's a whole bunch of inheritance on this class. Okay. Copy pasta at its finest. Let's also copy the usings as well, right? Why not? Let's go crazy. Now we're talking. Yeah. So, we have like 6 viewers right now. I'm gonna drink coffee to that. Nice, guys. Welcome. What the hell? Your model, I don't know. It's probably something from the project I'm copy pastaing this from. Okay, let's close the post class for now. Alright, this is our binding context of the code behind, sure. Yeah, now I have to bring base view model as an inheritance for this guy. And implement. What the hell? Yeah. Ooh, damn. Alright, it's not coffee time anymore. Now it's beer time. Thank you. Yeah, cheers. Oh, since we have so many people watching, we shouldn't be. I should be covering the propaganda on the can, right? Like it's not paid advertisement. I'm doing like free advertisement right now. Hey Thiago, what does yeah, cheers. Cheers to beer and coding. I'm gonna leave this one real close to me now. Yeah. Well, not that close. I don't want my Mac to be bathed in beer. Unless I'm gonna not drink that beer. Okay. So we implemented the abstract base class. And we're just gonna bring all of these goodies into the class that we're working on already. Did I copy the first one? No, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna actually overwrite this because this is probably already being done over here. Alright. Load data. Not sure how that one's gonna, whoa, it's been running all this time. Ah, nice. Yeah, Thiago, so I'm not sure how like Poe set up the project at first, but it's kind of crude. Like it only really has the base page like folders. Like it only really had the collection view challenge XAML file and like the app XAML is like really crude. I'm so used to like starting the project from scratch using Prism and other uh, MVVM frameworks that, yeah, it's just a little bit of a process to set everything up and a lot of remembrance as well, like trying to remember how things work. I don't know, let's fire the play button and see what happens. Yeah, I'm spoiled. There you go. That's a proper name. I was looking for that word. All right, wait. Okay, I'm not sure. So load post gets triggered by load data, which I'm load data. Who calls load data? So it's from the base. Okay. So our button wasn't, a breakpoint didn't hit, just not the best. Let me think. Like load data has to be triggered by someone. Someone has to call it. Property changed. I don't want to fire it up on the code behind. Do I? Wait. Okay, so this app shell only really has like styles, right? The UI collection XAML is actually what's being. Okay, so we have. Okay, so wait, this is already binding to itself. Let me see what it showed. Like 1, 2, 3. Huh. Okay. So the last 3 items showed up. I don't know if it's a collection view. Yeah, so we have like an item source over here. Gonna remove this item source. I'm gonna bind it to the view model. Just before I do that, so I have an item template. Okay, let's just look to an existing one. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's look at the Netflix one. This one is pretty red. Like, okay, there's a lot of items. Like adding items here. Is this the view model he built? I'm not sure if this is the view model. It might be just. No, it is the view model. Yeah, like he's doing it pretty simple. Like he's setting it up on the constructor. What I want to do is I want to fire it up on appearing, or like there's on Prism there's this like overridable this virtual method that you can override in your view model. It's like on appearing on, I forgot the name right now. It's like when you navigate to the page, like that code gets triggered. Okay. Yeah, guys, great to have you all here. I mean, actually, instead of like a post, I'm gonna just do like a simple binding over here, just to see if I can set it up properly. So this is gonna be like a list of string, and I'm just gonna add one item like on the constructor level. Do I have a constructor already? No, I don't. Got a little bit of a cramp right now. Because new list string. Oof. Daniel Kauser. Yeah, that's my name, Daniel Kauser. So for those who don't know me, I'm Daniel Kauser. Nice to meet you. Me. Okay. So I'm not sure if this will pop up. I want to see if the binding with the page worked, right? So instead of having the item source declared like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and just, where does it end? Here. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go item source binding post. So in theory, this should bind to the recently created list that I popped up in the screen. Let's see if it works. I don't want you right now. Go away. Cheers, guys, to mobile development and coding. Yeah. I have a bottle of water here too, but not very interested in it right now. Alright, so it didn't work. It did not work. Let me put a breakpoint over here. See if it ever gets called. Like if ever like works. Okay, so it's like the collection view is fine. I have 3 items, sure. What am I missing? I'm missing the... Okay, so this is setting up. Okay, so I'm missing something. Okay, let's close everyone that is not... There are not like the pages I'm working with. So I'm gonna pop you open. Okay. I have this guy over here. It's view model. I'm trying to do some MVVM over here. Okay, cool. So this is a stack layout. Binding to posts. Not sure what's wrong with this. It's binding to self. Let me undo this puppy over here and see how it was binding before. Trying to do a Control Z over here. Status. Okay, let me look at. I wanna. Yeah, let me look at the history. Maybe you can fucking see. Okay, here it is. Like this is not the best user experience when looking at the history or the changes on your. Okay, so can array. Sure. Not sure what I'm missing. Alright, let me look at other examples. That's life. Ah, Facebook lookalike. Cool. Let's see what you got. How it's changed. See if you did any view model. Okay, so view models. It did. Yeah, like he's using set property from who MVVM helpers. I wonder if I do like the list of posts, if it's gonna. Let me see the binding. How did the binding? Yeah, like. No, wait. The item source is posts. Is it posts? what it's called? Yeah, it's posts. Let's bind it to self. Don't bloody know what's the ignorable. He should come live. What? Ah, harass me. Ah, fucking piece of shit. Oh, nice. So I'm gonna have my friend Dylan over here join me. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Hey, Chase. Just looking at some. So I'm gonna have to change a little bit of the setting on the stream. Okay, cool. No, right now I'm just trying to bind the stupid list of strings. Set property, let's see what it's doing. Property change, blah. Doesn't look wrong to me. You know what? Just gonna do a list of posts and see if anything. Changes.
Alright, Yeti's live.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna go ahead. So instead of this, I'm gonna create just a property over here. Stream.
Yeti's good, man.
It's good?
Yeah, you can take off the headset.
Alright.
Everybody can still hear us?
You guys hear us? Fucking mouse. Just dump that over there.
Okay, I have less than 15 minutes.
Cool. I'm just
Do you
trying
have
to
binding
figure out
going?
this binding.
Okay, so what's going on in your code
So-
behind?
What I did is
Oh, I saw.
You did already?
Yeah, I was watching.
Oh yeah, you saw what I
everything.
was doing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna
Yeah,
create
you
like
want a static list.
yeah. So
I think
new post.
Oh, okay. List of posts.
Yeah.
But let's get basic binding going first. Like instead of doing all this.
Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Like I'm setting up the list of string.
Okay.
So that wasn't working. So I'm
Yeah,
creating
that's
this
what I
with
mean.
post.
Let's get a list of string going.
Okay. Like it doesn't look wrong to me at all. I don't know what I'm missing.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm in here.
Okay.
Okay, so go
So
to your
it's-
code behind. Yeah, dot.
So
Post.
the code behind.
Code behind for your page where you set up your binding.
Okay. This is the puppy.
Binding context. And if you put a breakpoint on your constructor, it's getting hit.
It's getting hit. Like here, I haven't tried here, but like the constructor of the view model is getting hit.
Put a breakpoint on the getter for
Yep.
for posts.
Okay, so thing I did there before. Okay, so this is
Yeah, so
hit.
it's setting up your list. Cool.
Yep.
Good.
Setting up here. Value 3. Great.
What's being instantiated? Hold on. If you scroll up to your constructor. Okay, so you're actually calling set property. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's getting.
Yeah. Cool.
My binding on the list seems to be wrong.
Binding to dot, like binding to self, right?
Yeah. On posts. Can you go back to the code behind for the page again?
Mm-hmm.
Here. I should be watching that.
Unless there's something like
Hmm.
by setting the binding context like this, I'm messing something up.
No, it's fine. It's not great, but it's fine.
Okay, so that's
try
why
this. Go
okay.
back to collection. At least, so you don't want to call set property here, like from the constructor. You don't want that event firing. So you actually want to set underscore posts in your,
over here.
yeah.
But then who's gonna let? the
No, you don't
view
have
know?
to, because the binding context isn't established yet.
Okay.
Like you're just newing it up, and then you're setting the binding context after this returns.
Okay.
So by the time the page hits this, the get, you have posts, or you have that string already populated.
Okay. So let's fire this up again.
Which is why you can use a list, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't even need set property for that property. You could just it could just be a vanilla property if you're creating in the
I'm just getting.
Yep.
Okay, so it's already set.
Yep. Okay. So something's up with the collection
Piece
view.
of shit.
Collection view binding. So you were comparing that to the actual.
I was like everybody like submitted like different styles.
Yeah.
I kind of want to do like the MVVM one.
Yeah.
So let me try to wrap this. Like I'm not sure like if this dot is actually properly binding to the post list. Let me see.
Are you still on screen?
Hi.
It's just the corner here. That's too much. There.
Hey Chase, can you hear me?
I can sit here.
Ooh.
Cool. Because then I can search. And you can code.
Hey man, welcome to the stream. How many people do we have? 13 people watching.
Pressure's
No, the pressure's on.
It's that binding.
Okay, let me fucking try to set this to name.
Okay.
Post,
So
post,
do that.
post. New, post, name, closure.
Start.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's dot?
It's correct binding. So do this just for just to see if we're crazy. Because now I feel like I'm crazy.
This guy's here.
Mhm.
Okay, so it's probably not working for everyone. Good sign. So is it item template? Is it item source at all? It was. See if it binds to the.
Are you binding? Why are you binding to dot? Oh, because post
Now it's a
isn't-
list of objects. I want to
Yeah.
see if it's gonna print the namespace.
maybe.
Who knows?
Try it. So just to test it, change collection view to list view. Let's see how this goes.
Cool.
And then you gotta change the edit template. Here and here. Because that's pretty.
So
I'm pretty
this
sure
is
that's
name.
exactly what I'm doing in that code that I sent you.
Mm-hmm.
So this.
Specified cast is not valid.
Cool. That's something.
God, everything's bursting into flames. What did I do?
Object cast with cache. Content get item list renderer. Get cell for path. Get cell. Something about the way the cell set up. So it's list view
Wait.
item template and then data template. And then
Isn't
you
there
don't
like
cell.
a like
You're not
view
using a
cell?
Yeah, so use a text cell. Comment out the stack layout. Just comment it out, the entire stack layout. And just use a text cell.
There we go.
Can be a self-closing.
Yeah.
And then set the binding, the text binding
Text.
to dot.
I think my list is a list of posts though.
Fuck it. Told ya. Should have just stuck simple.
String.
Darn about this. We're just heckling you.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's what you get for putting your face out there. Ah, right. What are you bloody?
I have to go home. Or not home. Guitar. Oh man. If we can't get this going by the time.
I'll keep tomorrow.
That's an
Or
hour
s-
of nothing.
Yeah, true. My life.
It's not good. Not good at all. Here it goes.
What
It's gonna work.
happened? I don't know.
Oh, it's hitting your breakpoints.
Okay, one. Okay, so yeah.
Oh,
Wait, what?
Causer. Oh,
What?
look at that.
What?
That's weird. So you have to turn on safe areas for iOS, that platform specific. So iOS.
Okay, wait. Now I'm. So could it be like doing that with?
Yeah, the first few items are off screen. So here, change it.
No, no,
back.
no. I don't believe it. Let me.
Change it back to collection view and let's see. 'Cause
Wait, yeah,
collection
exactly.
view would just undo.
No, man.
Come on, Zed. Just no, you can't.
I want to keep it some. I don't want.
Nah, get rid of that shit. We're not going to use a list view. That's the whole point of this is collection view. We just wanted something familiar so we didn't feel as lost.
Okay.
No, get rid of the text cell.
It
Get
can
rid
be a
of
text
this.
cell
No,
too.
man.
No?
Kill it. No.
Is it something
You'll get-
specific to?
Yeah, it's specific to that type of data template. So just kill that whole text cell line, man. We're not going back. We're never going back. The whole point of this is collection view, right?
Okay.
So if this works and you can kind of scroll down and see.
But I had like 3 items, like unless they were like
behind
just.
the header, because he had 5, right? Originally, the original
Ah,
template,
true,
and you can only
dude.
see 3.
Yes, I didn't. Oh, but
Pull to refresh might
No.
not be enabled, so it doesn't. Here, turn on safe areas. So
this is great feedback. If it like, let me see how I set up the safe areas.
and you've got it bound to name.
Do I? No, I brought it back. Oh yeah, fuck.
There. Now stop and rerun.
Okay, yeah. Hey everyone, welcome to the stream. Can you listen to a music in the background at all?
Still going. So that's just coming from, you have YouTube loaded here, right?
Yeah. I'm playing it on YouTube over here, and
Right.
it's catching it's like picking up that desktop
Yeah.
sound. So no. Binding into dot. Let me open the docs, man. Like there might be something. Something
Dude,
might be up with the.
Put the safe areas in play. Do the safe. Put this. You're gonna need the safe area anyways. It's not like it's a lost effort, right?
Okay. Actually, check how to set that up. That's easy.
Yeah. You need the namespace for
Yeah.
without it too. I gotta go. I'm late.
Okay, man.
Good luck.
So yeah, I'm gonna
Put the
keep
camera back at you. Fully back at you.
struggling over here. Some
struggling.
pain going on. I'm actually. This is good feedback, man. I'm gonna post all of this to my PR
Cool.
when I get
I'm
to it.
trying it tomorrow, so
Cool.
so far I've seen it not working very.
You know what to tackle before starting.
Yeah. Bye everybody.
Hey guys,
I gotta
Dylan is leaving.
See you tomorrow. I'll be on the stream.
Yeah, we'll keep. The safe areas. It worked, man.
Ah.
It showed the
Oh.
stupid. Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
All right. Well, that's fun.
Well, so yeah,
Safe areas.
safe areas, man.
There.
I'm actually gonna take note of this. Like, it's pretty goddamn annoying. I wasted all this time just because of the safe areas. Hmm. Alright, so I'm just gonna write it down over here. Hey, how's everyone doing? Are you still watching the live? Just gonna see how the traffic is going over in Twitter. Yeah, awesome. Cool stuff. Got a few retweets. Okay, so the binding is working. Oh, this font is terribly small. No, like 30? Let's see what goes. They are much better. I bet if I had a larger font, I would have seen the items. It's funny because it doesn't really like look like a collection until until you have enough items to be scrollable or something like that. Not sure if that's the deal. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna commit the code so far. It's caps lock killing me. Okay, so I'm gonna just commit. I guess I'm gonna keep going with the stream. I don't really have much to do tonight. Nice, Dylan. We're publishing a new version of a library we've been working on. It's been in NuGet for a year, and we're releasing the version 2 of it. So keep tuned. We'll be blogging about it later. Okay, so I actually have 6 people watching me still. It's amazing. Let me see how the traffic looks like in the stream, in the Twitch app. Alright, 6 people watching. It's cool, man. Alright, so now that I know that the binding works and I've just been fooled all along. I don't know if I'll fire the load posts on the constructor. Not sure what to do. Okay, the safe areas are actually a big deal. Close the screens. I'm gonna keep these open just for reference. Okay, this. So let's go ahead and work at the. Let me think. So this base view model. Here am I. Okay, so there's iView model that has to implement the load data. So load data is just an abstract. Fuck it, I'm just gonna have like a button. I don't want to think of that right now. So I'm gonna just do a binding on, I don't know, load data. Set the text to load data. So yeah, we just published the new version of HTTP tracer. What? It's not us. Maybe together. There we go. So we had version on the 3. Dylan, are you publishing it on are you publishing it on Nougat as well? A lot going on in the chat, eh? I wonder what best setup would be, like to code and keep an eye on the chat as well. Like I want to see what people are talking. See if it, yeah. Not available yet. Might be later. So let me bind this to the command, load command. Okay. Oh. There we go. Let's try this puppy. See what happens. What? Yeah, like it's loading because it's being set up on. Let me actually see if it's being called at all. Okay, so this is this is hooked properly.
See you tomorrow.
See ya, man. All right, the beer is over. It's done. No more beer. Okay, let's stop this puppy. What is unload command? Bloody task. What is load data? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, of course. I have to implement this. Let's see. Just remove it from the, I don't want it. Not for here right now, I don't want it. Yeah, all right. So let's just set up this guy over here. Make sure we're creating an instance of the empty list right now. Well, wait. And this will be just an empty string. I just want to see if this will pop up properly. Oh. Okay. See what happens. Yeah, all right. I just got a notification on Twitter. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, just having some people like tweet about the stream, like the stream, and yeah. Yeah, Andrew, I don't know if you're in the stream still, but we should definitely pair up and do some live coding together. I'm completely up for it. Yeah, so this is it, guys. Seems to be working fine. So we're gonna change this to our post class. Change this to post. Post. Let's change the binding and see if it still works. Oop. And let's bind the label in the UI for name. Who is what we're binding to. Let's load data. Move this big frame from here. Yeah. Right, let's do another one. Daniel. There we go. Awesome. So let's actually, I want to commit it again. So we have it all working. Working with command binding. Hit push. Okay, so guys, I'm going to the restroom real fast and I'll be right back. Hello everyone. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, just got some more beer. Guinness Blonde. That doesn't feel right. So, still have 4 brave streaming. So we still have 4 brave streamers with us. So let's keep on going. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So as I said early on in the stream, I'm gonna use a service which I've closed. Oh man, I have to go back, find that service. Let me see my history. Okay, generate random fake names. I have so I have a class like person class that this is gonna be my post class. I'm gonna just dump all of this stuff over here, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and query this service now. This is a form app that I built in the past. So for one of the demos in my blog, just to okay, so this is important. I'm gonna go and paste this puppy here and just copy whatever is person endpoint. This should be in the root right here. App settings. Who is okay? So you're the one I'm gonna use. Okay, placing this, guys, should get me 25 persons, 25 people. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it did work. Got like 25 people. Let's see. Here we go. And there's all sorts of other good stuff that we can do with this. Yeah, there we go, see? So result, 25. Nice. Okay, so let's go crazy. Instead of 25, let's, I don't know if it goes to 100, but we can try it. This is not the greatest beer. It's a Guinness, but it's a blonde Guinness, not the normal Guinness that we're used to. Okay, so I don't know if it worked. Let's see. I don't think it goes to 100. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Like I got an exception. Secure connection, isn't it? HTTPS. Okay, let me clean this up and fire it again. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah, there you go. Cannot start load of tasks since it does not conform to the policies. So I don't know if this was set up by. I don't know if there's anything saying what's the maximum amount that we can retrieve. Let's see. It should return like a. We set up the amount. Let's see what it returns to us. Oh, it returned 100. Let's see, 25. Let me change this back to 25 and see if it still works. It returned the result. Well, let's stick to 25. Maybe the amount of the response is too great. I'm not sure. Right, so let's see what objects do we have here. We have 25 objects of type post. We have surname, region, phone, password, name, gender, email, age, and UI, and the picture, which is which we're gonna make a lot of use for. So since we are, so I had the commas here, I think. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. Hey Andrew, thank you. Oh my god, I have to find a better way of finding like keeping an eye on the stream comments. I'm not sure when you spoke last time. It's more than 15 seconds ago. Seems I got an achievement from Twitch. Yeah, man. So I have like two laptops here. Like there's one here and one that I'm doing stuff. But like as I go coding, like I kind of like lose focus on the chat. Yeah. So I just stay here talking a bunch of stuff on my own. Yeah, phone could be a good option. I have my phone here. I'm also gonna leave it like with the stream open here, and it might take me a little bit of time to like respond to people, but it's definitely better than not seeing people talking to me. Let me do that. So here's the phone. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Leave the phone here. Having like a sound effect that pings me when things are ready would be a good idea too. Yeah, Andrew. I don't think Dylan is around anymore. I think he had like guitar class or something. He's not one of the cool kids that only code and stay inside and never leave. Like he actually plays guitar, plays hockey, has a social life. Okay, so next step. What should we do next? I think we're like with this, we're ready to start working on our UI finally, since we're only like binding here to a name. Let's go take a look at how Instagram feed looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it seems it doesn't open. Doesn't, yeah. I don't know. Instagram feed. Like I want the home feed, yeah? Like the main one with all of the pre-fonts and things like that. So yeah, this is it. This is the one I'm looking for. So we have like the little picture on the top. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and add FF image loader to our project. This will allow us to download the pictures, since you guys noticed that the pictures that this service returns to us are all URLs. So we have to actually cache and download and cache the images locally. And there's this really awesome library called FF image loader. It will help us with that. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and add Visual Studio for Mac is a little annoying in the sense that you have to add the package to each of the HAD projects that you have in your solution. It's kind of annoying. So let's see, FF image. Let me actually go ahead and see how you set it up. It's been a while. FF image loading. Here we go. So I'm gonna see. I know that you have to do some setup on the HAD projects. I just wanna check it out. See if I'm doing everything right. Okay. API tutorial. So yeah, this is the stuff I have to do. So first, add the following NuGet package to every project in your solution. Okay, so I'm gonna do this guy, and I'm actually gonna get the transformations too, because it will help me doing some stuff to the image, because I need a round image in one of this for the left top corner. I need a round image, so it will help me with that. The transformations library too, I'm gonna download it. Okay. I haven't really used the transformations library. It will be a first for me. So good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, so there we go. Add everything to every project. Transformation. I wonder if I add the transformation, it will add the forms. No, it did not. The annoying thing with this is that if you're not, like, the annoying thing of having to add the packages to each of the HAD projects is that you can easily like install one version in one of them and another version in the other, so you have to be careful. Having different versions of the same library in your projects, and your project is using all of them, is not like, it can cause all sorts of weird issues, so gotta watch out. Okay, So for iOS, I have to go to the app delegate and add this. I wonder if I can just set it up. Okay, we want faster renders. Not 100% what that means, but I do want it. Okay. I want true. I can try to run the Android. Let's see. Ooh, fail. What happened? Ah, it's a stupid thing. And how is everyone doing in the chat? Are you guys keeping up? I see there's 5 viewers now. We've been jumping from 6 to 5. Okay, could not load list. What? Let me see, is there something wrong with the... do I have to do anything else? Step 1, transformation. Main activity. It's the main activity. So what's the wait. What? Okay. Wow, the live is almost 2 hours long. Okay, I'm not gonna bother with Android at this moment. There's some, well, I might be leaving something behind on the... Let's see the packages. Forms, transformation. Yeah, so... Yeah, there you go. Fine. I'm gonna look at what's wrong here. Try to find. So it's cached, image, rendered, and then you have to set. Let me just set it to false. Let's see what happens. Ah, no! Let me get to... I'm gonna go... So it raises finished launching. Is there such a thing here? No. Okay, let's change it to Android again. I changed the parameter here from no, so it's still failing. So I'm not quite sure of what's going on. It might be something to do with using shell spec. Let's see. So it might be something to take note and come back to later. Plus ff image ff image loading. Okay, so we're gonna save this. I'm gonna go back to iOS. Okay, so let's work on the UI for a little bit. Let's close this. Let's see what Instagram looks like again. I keep forgetting. This is it. So first, let's display the name. So first we're gonna have, I wonder if we should do a grid or something. So we're gonna add like a header or something like that. So in here instead of layout, let's do a grid. This grid is gonna like have everything. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. Okay. So let me just go. I don't wanna do this. I'm gonna set up the let me just take a look here. We're gonna open a XAML page and see if we can find a so list view. I wanna grid. Okay, here we go. Column definitions. Column. So we're gonna have 3 columns. We're gonna have just 1 column for now because rows, and we're gonna have 1 row. Gonna have a fixed size of 100 by 100. And we're gonna import FF image loader. So we're gonna display now the image itself. And afterwards, yeah, we're gonna display the top, just an image to see if we're gonna make this work. So all we have to do is copy this puppy over here to import the library so we can start using it. Okay. And we're gonna use this puppy over here. And instead of having a, yeah, I don't want this. Hey everybody, are you guys keeping up with me? So it's, I think the name of the property is photo, but I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Photo, yep. So this width and weight height request, I'm not sure if it's gonna work though. Let's keep it to 100. 100. Okay, not working. No worky. What goes? Ah, this is height. Let's see if it loads the pictures. There we go, a whole bunch of pictures. All right. I just remembered something that I have to add in here. This is just a written feedback that I'm gonna post to the PR later. Okay. So we need a big picture. So we're gonna set. Actually, let me take a look how the transformation lib works. Okay, custom transformations. I'm just taking a look over here to see if I can easily round the picture. Here it is. Oh. I want to see if it's funny, the chat pops up way up. Like I don't want it like to be at the bottom of the page. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do some like just experimentation over here. Okay. Oh, it's too small now. I'm gonna change it to, I don't know. So small. Okay, so I just increased the font size to 50. Big letters. Okay. That looks better, doesn't it? Since there are not so many people in the stream, I'm just gonna make the chat, like the message, live forever. Nice. Okay, so now we have really big letters and they're gonna last for a little bit. I find that to be more pleasant. I like that. It's gonna last around 2 minutes, the messages now on our stream. So if you want to share, come on. Oh, we only have like 3 viewers now. That sucks. I think it's me only. I don't know if it counts, like I'm logged in with our user group account. Okay. Let me just take a moment now, guys. I need to check if my wife has been talking to me. Okay, so let's work in getting our image round. See if I can find something useful here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's gonna increase the font. Oh. So yeah, guys, our live has been going on for 2 hours and 12 minutes. I might stop in a little bit. If I do stop, I'll just carry on tomorrow, I think. Or as soon as I'm done with yeah, so I'm gonna stream tomorrow again, or as soon as I have some availability. I'm pretty sure Dylan, my friend, is gonna be doing this as well through our channel. So keep an eye Keep an eye open. Okay, so here are the transformations. Reveal circle. There we go. This is what I wanted. So there's a specific. So what do you do? Is it like a transformation you do? Yeah, I might just open a bunch of examples. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so there are, you have to bring in the page, not only the FF image loading control, but also the transformation itself. There we go. And what do I do with this transformation? I might add it. Yeah, there you go. You have to add it here. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and close this puppy just so I can add that property over here. There you go. I'm gonna shoot it again, see what happens. So what is it? So we have to figure out how to bring fonts to this sample as well. Yeah, see? We have. Yay! All right. So let's just make this guy. So this guy overall, what is it gonna be? So the same image we have here, we're gonna have. So how many, let me just check, how many, so we have, this is, yeah, so this is the main page. God. I'm trying to find the proper. Instagram feed idea. Ah. So we have one here with the name and a button. So let's do this. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So there will be like the two. This one is gonna be the one for. So we're gonna only have one row right now because we're working on the top row. So this guy, I'm gonna push all of them back. Height request, let's do a 40. There you go, we'll go for 40. Width, star. So this is gonna take whatever space there is. And what? Auto. Sure, why not? Then, right after so let's just set up the grid positions properly over here. So grid dot row so let's set up the row. So the column grid.column is gonna be 0 because it's gonna sit in the first one. And right after we'll have a label with the text. It will be a binding to name. And this guy is gonna be sitting. It's gonna be grid dot row column column 1. Okay. So the vertical options is gonna be left, start and expand because this is a start. Okay, see what looks. Right, it looks like crap. Oh my god. So the height of the row, so this is the start, so it should be center, I guess. Sky, horizontal options. Center, sure. Hey, Aster6, welcome to the live. Great to see you here, man. Yeah, I'm working on the UI challenge. It has been 2 hours and 21 minutes so far. Great stuff, man. Welcome. Great to have you here. All right, so they're like, but the size are stupid. I might just change it on, I don't know where this is setting up the size of stuff. So these are the styles. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna increase the font size, whatever. No. Medium? Sure, why not? Slow data. Doesn't look much bigger at all. Well, whatever. This is good for now. So yeah, as you see, like we're hitting like 25 items, and further in the future, what I want to do is actually, when we hit the bottom of the collection view, we're gonna like hit the API again for a whole bunch more information. And we also have to change the way we're loading data initially. Looking good though. So actually, let's just remove this guys for now and add another guy. This is gonna be like the main image. We're gonna add to column. We're gonna span this column span 2. And we're gonna go and grid.row equals 1. So we're actually gonna also set equals grid.row equals 0 on the other ones, on the other grid items, just so we know where everything is in the screen explicitly. I'm gonna remove the transformation. I just want like a proper like rectangle, and this guy is gonna be pretty big. This should be like, I don't know, 6 by 600, I guess. And yeah, so this is auto. And this guy should be 40 as well, not 100. Ooh, oh, wow. That looks good. Starting to have something similar to Instagram, guys. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't like the space though between. Yeah, so let's actually. What should we do? Let's see the space on the top. Okay, so there's not really much space between. So the issue here is this space between our rows. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do an auto here as well. The first row. Load our data. What? Okay, so that's not the issue. So here on our screen, on the vertical options, we're gonna, instead of center, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna go start and expand, maybe. Sure. Let's go for it. Slow data. What? Okay, so it's in the grid. Row spacing equals 0. That might do it. I don't want any space between the rows. Cheers, everyone who's watching the live stream. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What? Still? There's the space underneath as well. to start. What? It's annoying. Okay, guys, I need to go to the restroom and I'll be right back. All right, here I am again. Should just grab the little snack. Hmm. I wonder if people still think that I'm live. I'm gonna retweet our live. Hmm. Okay. Sorry guys, I was just retweeting, like tweeting our stream just to try to get more people to watch. I'm not sure how long. I shouldn't take like much longer to finish the stream. Yeah. Almost done with it. It's been almost 3 hours really. 2.5 hours. Cheers to that. Cheers to coding. Let's keep going. Okay, so the issue right now is the absurd amount of space that we have between our rows. So let's see what goes on here. So I want the height of this one to be 40. This one to be star, whatever. Actually, this will be 600. 600 too, because of the size of the bottom guide. Let's do it. See what happens. Let's load data. Ooh, okay, this is not good. What the hell? Okay, so all I really need to do is really wanted to see the size of this guy. Let's see the bottom of the, so the vertical we're gonna see, and let's see what happens. I want to see where the label goes to. So yeah, so the bottom is like right here. I don't know what's occupying all this. So column span, grid row, 0, 0. I'm gonna take this 2 off. So horizontal is center and expand. Well, there you go. Start and expand. Start and expand. Let's see what happens. We should have left the bottom. Ah, padding. Could it be that? Okay, so my picture is like completely gone now. Let's see the height regressed. 600 was pretty good. Hey Lincoln, hey Mauricio. I'm gonna try that. Thank you for the heads up. I'm just gonna fire this up and let's see what happens to our image. Anything? Yeah, so what is it? The padding, right? From the image? thought that that was the horizontal options. Margin 0. Maybe. So the height and the width of the bottom picture are a star. It's building. Oh, it's not building. No. What? It's annoying. Hey Mauricio. Yeah. No worries, man. I'm going on the grid level now. I changed a whole bunch of stuff right now. No worries. It seems that there's no padding option for the FF image. What? All right, this is annoying. Fuck. Okay, I have the horizontal options. Set to start. I'm actually gonna commit all this. That's our lives, Mauricio, as developers. It's always struggling with the silliest thing. Earlier on the live stream, we had this major issue. We were stuck for at least 40 minutes trying to figure out this. The use safe area, using the collection view, we couldn't see the first items of the collection view because they were hidden under the toolbar. Oh man, we were stuck. We thought that the issue was the binding of the list, and at the end of the day, we set the user safe area. I set the font size to huge, and it worked. Oh my god, that's our lives, man. Always struggling with something. All right, while we build the app again, I'm gonna retweet. All right, built. Yeah, man, what the hell? I don't know what's in here. So instead of start, the end will be the bottom, right? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Just looking at the chat box. All right, so I guess I'm gonna timestamp to 15 minutes. So we are right now at 7:57 Eastern time. I'm gonna stream for what? 13 more minutes? Sounds good? There's only really like four viewers right now. Okay. Okay. Oh, guys, I'm tired. I don't think I'll be able to make 15 more minutes. I'm just gonna stop it right now. 2 hours and 46 minutes of live stream. I'm pretty sure we're gonna keep on going tomorrow or the day after. I'm gonna let you know. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for enduring all of this time with me. So everything committed to my branch. I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye to everyone. Thank you for joining. See you next time.